We be right in the same way. All the water's perfect.
We're doing fried catfish. It's Sunday, and I just felt like today was the day for some catfish. Like, it just felt like the day for some catfish. It's just a pack of frozen catfish. I defrosted it in cold water in the fridge. Didn't take that long. It's skinless and boneless, so video. But these right here, the multi, dangerous. I'm about to start preheating this oil I have in the cast iron skillet. It's just some canola oil. But anyways, I'm going to be using this fish fry seasoned packet. Okay, so that means that this cornmeal's already seasoned. I'm still going to season my fish because I just don't believe in that. But you don't have to if you don't want to. But you're going to see right here that the third ingredient is salt, which means that there's a decent amount of salt in here. Sodium is 620 milligrams. So, oh, I also have some flour. I like to mix in a little bit of flour with the cornmeal breading. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. If you are not using a bag, I don't want it. No, for real. Yeah, if you're not using a bag to flour your fish, I don't know if I want it because it doesn't seem right. Get a bag. It's the only way. Our fish on a separate plate. Okay, this will be mom's. Okay, mom's fish is done, so now I'm gonna go ahead and season our fish. I'm not gonna use any Lawry's because that's just too much salt, but I am gonna use a little bit of this Creole seasoning. This Creole seasoning is basically like a spicy seasoning salt, so you really don't need both, okay? So we got our Creole seasoning. I like a little bit of this black pepper, like I mentioned. This does have some salt in it too. And I don't, I know y'all are probably like, this is supposed to be, southern fried catfish. Like, who cares about the salt? But I do. Although I like to eat good, like I have to still, be conscious of things because I'm 30. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper on here, just a little bit. I don't like my fish too peppery. Not too peppery. And then some garlic powder. And again, everything y'all see me doing on this side, I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna do the exact same. I'm gonna come in with some onion powder. Like, I don't really care that packet said that it's seasoned because that don't really mean nothing to me. I mean, I appreciate it, but like, what's that supposed to mean to me? But okay, let me go ahead and flip this and then we're gonna go ahead and bread it and then we'll fry it. Okay, so to make the dry mixture, I'm just gonna start off with our fish fry. I'm gonna pour this whole, okay, I didn't rip this wide enough, hold on. So I'm gonna pour this whole mixture into the bag. Okay, I don't know if my camera recorded anything I just did with this cornmeal, but in case it didn't, I put the seasoned cornmeal packet that I showed you guys. I put this in there. I put about 1/3 of a cup of flour in there, and then I put some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. I didn't add any more salt in here because the cornmeal pack is already seasoned. Plus, like I mentioned, I'm making this for my mom as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my mom's piece of fish. Okay, so I got my mom's fish here. Drop a little cornmeal. You see it bubbling? We like the bubbles. We also like the fact that it's not burning. We just want it to be getting a little golden in there, which is what's happening.
Not say a word and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same way. All the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising.
I got this little fish grill thing that I use when I'm barbecuing. And I just put a pan underneath. I'm just gonna lay the fish just so it has somewhere to drip the oil out of.